Imagine you're part of a huge corporation. The parent company's sales team could get you new clients, right? But they don't.
Yeah, things are tough.
That's exactly what happens to our client, a global consulting leader, part of a multinational group with 50,000 people in more than 50 countries. So, the problem. Sales reps struggled with our client's complex services. Endless, dull decks only made it worse. But we felt the issue was actually deeper. Step 1. Uncovering the critical issue. Through in-depth interviews, we found the true barrier, trust, or rather, a lack of it. Sales reps didn't see new opportunities. They saw risks to their client relationships. A real aha moment. Step 2. Designing key messages to remove this barrier. Step 3. Crafting a dynamic movie. Sales reps had no clue about pain points of their clients. We just showed them. Then we made it super clear how these services fix those problems.
Lucas, you're our savior.
With the right characters, tone, and humor. So intuitive, even a child could get it. And the results? Even early on. New momentum for cross-selling, faster onboarding for sales reps, stronger collaboration across teams. Because when people believe in what they sell, success follows.